Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today in this video I will introduce with you the different designs and colors of high heel sandals with beautiful feet and toenail print art. So dear viewers, in today's fashion landscape, high heel sandals represent a harmonious blend of elegance and pragmatism. As a centerpiece in the contemporary wardrobe of fashion forward individuals, they undeniably elevate the style quotient of any ensemble. So, dear viewers, their collection in this video, the collection encompasses the latest trends, including the top 12 women's wedge sandals that promise to elevate your style with the unique blend of comfort and flair. So, dear viewers, the allure of high heel sandals is timeless, intricately balancing the grace of height with the poise of design. These sandals have evolved to become more than just an accessory, they are a statement of personal style and confidence. When selecting stylish sandals for girls in 2025, it's essential to consider not only the aesthetic appeal but also the functional attributes such as comfort, sport, and versatility. Ranging from strappy stilettos to chunky platform, the variety offers something suitable for every preference and foot shape. So, dear viewers, finding the perfect fit is paramount, and to aid this, a clear and comprehensive size chart is available. So, dear viewers, in this video, different designs and different colors are present. So, dear viewers, in this video, you can watch each and every style, whether attending a formal event or a casual gatherings. The right pair of high heel sandals can significantly enhance the wearer's poise and confidence, making them a staple in the arsenal of stylish footwear. This ultimate guide aims to deconstruct the myriad aspects of selecting the ideal high heel sandals, ensuring a fusion of elegance with practically in every step.